even get to cross.
Hello guys, Sensible Baby here today. We are covering the remaining parts of Joystick, and those people who are new peels, like, share and subscribe and comment also. Let's us begin with the video. Okay, so we're going to summarize what we had learned in last video. So we had learned that there are 5 pins: GND, 5V, VRX and VRRX and VRRY. ISLO has 2 potentiometer and a rotator that holds the cap. If you open the cap of Joystick, you will see rotator inside that is joined with 2 potentiometer. Alright guys, now we will be learning about how does potentiometer work with Joystick. We will be seeing some examples, definitions of potentiometer. Now we will be learning about potentiometer, its usage and practical examples. So a potentiometer is a passive component. Its main work is to increase the voltage and decrease it. This uses Ohm's law, where current is inversely proportional to resistance. The 2 terminals are positive and negative. You can connect anyhow because positive and negative connecting doesn't matter. Like other components, connecting positive to negative will cause the component to perish, but in this case, that does not matter. Okay, so now the middle pin, which is known as variable, because you can connect the positive of any component. I will show you diagram of potentiometer connected to LAD. So now we are going to see a video where potentiometer is used with LAAD to increase and decrease the brightness. In video, blue color component is the potentiometer. Its terminal I connected as tone to negative and 2 as positive, and the variable orange wire. Connect to wire. A diesel node and cathode is connected to breadboard negative. The power supply is coming from arduino Uno with 3 board. Also, I had used a tank potentiometer. The K means potential gradient. It is the potential drop per unit length. It is calculated as VL, where V is the potential difference between 2 points and L is the distance between 2 points. So here are some examples. Fan regulator changes the RPM of the fan like the speed. In speaker, it increases and decreases the voltage level supplied to speaker. In television, it changes the brightness. And the last one, I am not sure, but yeah, you can read though. Practical examples of potentiometer. We have learned what does K mean in potentiometer. We had summarized our last video's topic, and yet. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe and comment, like and share.